Hello everyone, in this video, I will guide you through the process of downloading and installing the code Blocks IDE for C development. As we go along, I will also demonstrate the steps on my screen, so you can easily follow along and perform the installation on your own computer. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to www.codeblocks.org. This is the official website of Code Blocks, where you can download the IDE. Once you're on the Code Blocks website, look for the Downloads section in the main navigation menu. Click on Downloads to proceed. In the Downloads section, you'll find different versions of Code Blocks for various operating systems. Make sure to choose the version that matches your operating system. For example, if you're using Windows, select the Windows version. After selecting the appropriate version, you'll be directed to a page where you can download Code Blocks. Look for the Download button or link, and click on it. This will initiate the download of the Code Blocks installation file. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the installation file. Double-click on the file to run it and start the installation process. During the installation process, you'll be presented with various options. You can choose the installation directory, select additional components or plugins, and customize the installation according to your preferences. After selecting the installation options, click on the Install or Next button to begin the installation process. The installation may take a few minutes, so please be patient. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. After the installation is finished, you can launch Code Blocks by clicking the confirmation button. When you first launch Code Blocks, you may be prompted to configure certain settings, such as the default compiler or the appearance theme. Follow the on-screen instructions and make any necessary configurations according to your preferences. Now that Code Blocks is installed and configured, let's create a new C project. Click on File in the menu bar, then select New and Project. Choose Console Application or Empty Project depending on your needs, and give your project a name. With your new project created, you can start writing your C code. Code Blocks provides an integrated code editor where you can type your code. Once you've written your code, click on Build or Compile to compile it and check for any errors. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded and installed the Code Blocks IDE for C development. I hope this demonstration helped you in installing Code Blocks on your own computer. Happy coding!